Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the properties available in the Boolean Algebra. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic, the properties of the Boolean Algebra. First is the closure property. First we will see closure A. So in this Boolean Algebra we have plus and dot, addition and multiplication. First we will refer the addition. So the closure A, closure with respect to the operator plus. When two binary elements are operated by the operator plus, then result is a unique binary element. So while adding two binary elements, the resultant binary element also a unique. That is the result of this closure property. A and B belongs to certain element means the result C also belongs to that certain element. That is the meaning of the closure property. Similarly, the dot product, dot, closure B. The closure with respect to the operator dot. When two binary elements are operated by the dot operator, the result is unique binary element, right? Either plus or dot, the result is also unique, right? So that is explained here. So the A and B, they are two elements, belongs to S, belongs to the set S. The C is the resultant, adding A and B. So A and B is belongs to S mean the resultant C, adding A and B, that also belongs to S. That is the true, right? So it is simple. A and B two elements, C is the A plus B, sum of A plus B is the C. So we have three variable, A, B and A plus B is C. If A and B is belongs to S means the C also belongs to S, because C we got from A plus B. So A plus B belongs to S, the C what we got from A plus B, that also belongs to S. So that is the description given in the closure property, right? Two binary elements are operated by plus mean the result also unique binary element. Two binary element operated by dot product mean the result also a unique binary element. So that is given. A and B belongs to S mean C also belongs to S. Now we'll go to the second property, identity property. Identity, 1 dot A equal to A dot 1 equal to A, right? So if you multiply A is the variable with 1, either 1 dot A or A dot 1 means again we'll got the value A. So this is the identity property, right? I into X equal to X into I equal to I plus X or X plus I means again we'll got I equal to 1 for multiplication, I equal to 0 for addition, right? So this is called a identity property. 1 dot A equal to A dot 1 equal to A. Then commutative property, A plus B can be written as B plus A, both are same. Adding A and B or B and A is equal to, both are equal. In case of dot product, A dot B equal to B dot A, both are equal, right? Then distributive property, A dot B plus C can be written as A dot B plus A dot C, right? So A dot B plus C is written as A dot B A plus A dot C. We can write like this. Similarly, A plus B dot C can be written as A plus B into A plus C. So while solving the Boolean algebra, Boolean expression, we can use these properties, right? A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. A plus B into C is nothing but A plus B dot A plus C. It's coming under the distributive property. Now we'll go to the next property. The next is the associative property. A plus B plus C can be written as A plus B plus C, right? We can add B plus C together or A plus C together, both are same. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In case of dot product, A dot B dot C is nothing but A dot B dot C. So we can combine together A dot B or B dot C, both are equal. So that is coming under associative property, right? Next one, complement property. Complement is nothing but A bar. While taking complement, what will happen? A equal to 1 means A bar is nothing but a complement, that is equal to 0. So while taking complement, if 1 means it becomes 0, 0 means it becomes 1. So what is the complement property? A dot A bar equal to 0. What is the meaning? A is 1 means A bar will be 0. A is 0 means A bar will be 1. So either this will be 1 or this will be 0. Either 1 will be 0. So totally it is nothing but 0. Right? So take this example. A is 1, A bar is 0. So 1 into 0 become 0. Similarly, in case of addition, A plus A bar equal to 1. If A equal to 1, A bar equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 will give 1. Suppose A is 0 means A bar will be automatically 1. So 0 plus 1 again will got 1. So in this two value, any one value is compulsorily it is 0. So that final result is 0. Similarly here one value will be 0, another one value will be 1. So automatically we'll get the, while adding we'll get the value 1. So complementary property, A dot A bar equal to 0, A plus A bar equal to 1. Now we'll go to the next one, idempotency property. The next one is the idempotency property, A plus A equal to A. So with the A variable, if you add A any number of times, you will get the same value A. Similarly, A dot A also will give the A. Right? A is the variable, while adding or while multiplying the same variable again and again, will got the same value only. It's called a this. Next we'll see the absorption property. So this is the one of the important property in the Boolean algebra. A plus AB equal to, you take A outside. So take A outside, so it become 1 plus B. What is 1 plus B? 1 plus B. 1 is the constant, B is the variable. So with a 1, if we add any variable, again it will give only 1 only. So 1 plus B equal to 1, because the B may be 1 or 0. If we add 1 plus 1, we will get 1 only. 1 plus 0, we will get 1 only. So with 1, if we add any variable, it will give 1 only, because this value may be either 0 or 1. The result will get only 1. For example, 1 plus 0 will give 1 only. 1 plus 1 also will give 1 only. So that 1 plus B is nothing but 1. So A plus AB equal to A. One of the absorption property. While simplifying the expression, we can use this property. A plus AB equal to A. So based on this 1 plus B. A 1 with any variable will give only 1 only. Similarly, one more property available. A into A plus B. Here A plus AB. Here A into A plus B. You multiply inside. So A into A plus A into B. What is A into A? A into A will be A only. A with multiply with the same variable will give same value only. So A plus AB. What is A plus AB? This A plus AB is nothing but A. So A into A plus B will give A. Right? So we can use these two property while simplifying the Boolean expression. A plus AB equal to A. A into A plus B also A. Right? Then the last one is the involution property. Double inversion of any variable result in the original value. So A bar double bar again will get the A. Suppose A equal to 0 means A bar will be 1. Again taking the bar, it become again 0. Right? So while taking double inversion will get the original value. A double bar equal to A. So in this video we discuss about the properties available in the Boolean algebra in order to simplify. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.